Jack and Matt equals fun math. Nice. Alright, we have these two equations, and we're solving systems of linear equations. So we want to use linear combination to cancel out one of the variables. So we're going to multiply this equation by 3 and this equation by 2. And that will give us 6 over x minus 3 over y is equal to 33. And negative 6 over x plus 4 over y is equal to negative 40.
Yeah, that's pretty hard. It took a while.
What do you do? Okay, so then we cancel out the 6x and negative 6x. And we get 1 over y is equal to negative 7. So then we get y is equal to negative 1, 7.
Now that you know y, next you have to find x. Since y equals negative 1/7, I'm going to plug that into the first equation in the y spot. So the new equation is 2 over x minus 1 over negative 1/7 equals 11. So really, negative 1 divided by negative 1/7 is negative 1 over 1 times negative 7 over 1, and that equals 7. So I'm going to minus 7 from each side to get the equation 2 over x equals 4. And then I'm going to multiply by x, and get 2 equals 4x. And then divide by 4 and divide by 4 and get x equals 1/2. So the answer to this system of equations is 1/2 negative 1/7. Our second problem is making two equations inconsistent. Now you need to remember the inconsistent lines are parallel, which means they don't intersect. So we need to make the slope of these two equations equal to each other. First, we took this equation and divided through by 8 to get y by itself. And we got y equals 3/8 x plus 10 over 8. Next, we took this equation and divided through by 2 to get y by itself, and got y equals negative k over 6 plus 3 over 2.
So then, since we're making them inconsistent, we know that the slopes have to be equal to each other. So once we set them equal, we can cross multiply. And we find that 18 is equal to negative 8k. Then we divide 18 by negative 8 and negative 8k by negative 8 to find that k is equal to negative 18 over 8. Can that be simplified?
No. Yeah, 9 over 4.
Yeah, negative 9 over 4. That doesn't look like a 9, but...
Good math.
Whatever. You also have really good Indian.
Fun stuff.
I don't know how to speak Indian.